I'm Gerd Engelbrecht. I'm the General Manager from Allied Maintenance. We provide our customers mechanical, electrical, pneumatic and hydraulic services mainly in the aviation sector. We operate in Germany, especially in the northern part, for our customers, several greater companies in the aviation sector. Our main activities therefore are maintenance and repair works for production plants and the construction and planning of test benches. For now we are engaging new challenges by entering the sector of digitalism, especially in the fields of augmented and virtual reality. As we take part as a contributor, we had the original idea for the project. Furthermore, we will monitor the worldwide test at the proving ground we provide. First of all, the provided data will make maintenance actions easier to coordinate, but in general, we can create a network of small companies who can work together to perform good actions on large company inquiries. Our expectation then is to create a device and platform which can be used worldwide to create networks and help smaller companies to combine their abilities. We have many years of experience in the aviation sector and are also very experienced in interdisciplinary collaboration and project development.